I'll show you how to repair a vinyl siding corner post. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Here is a broken corner caused by a hailstorm. I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, you need to remove the face of the corner. Cut the top across the face, and then the bottom across the face. Split the face in two with a utility knife, like this. Then, score the back of the face with an acrylic cutting knife. And break it off. Repeat this step on both sides until the face is completely removed. Measure the size you need. Add 1.5 inches for each, the top and the bottom, for an overlap. Cut off the two nailing flanges. I like to use a score tool. And then break it off. The score tool that I use is an acrylic cutting knife. Cut everything behind the face, 1.5 inches back. Clip one side into the remaining part of the corner. Do the same on the other side. Put a screw into the corner to hold it in place. When done, this is how it looks like. In this situation, you had siding on two sides of the corner to deal with. Now I'll show you how to do it with siding on only one side of the corner. Here there is siding on only one side of a broken corner. Use the same procedure we just used, but with a couple of variations. First, cut the face off. This time, on the side with no siding, take the entire corner out. Measure the corner needed, adding 1.5 inches on each side for the overlap. Now cut the corner to length. This time, cut only one of the nailing flanges off. Cut everything behind the face, 1.5 inches back. Clip the corner onto the side that has the siding. Now nail the other side of the corner in the nailing flange. I used a corner from another wall to match, faded the same. You can use a new corner if it's a close enough match. If this video was helpful, then please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.